Gak bisa menjalan sekedar.
At sa gitna ang ating mga players. Nangayuda, Mr. Roldan. To shadow please. Wearing jersey number 1, Mr. Roldan. And of course, wearing jersey number 2, playing as shooting guard, Mr. Jonas Step.
Harap tayo doon.
Wearing jersey number 3, the commissioner, Mr. Stan Hamburger.
Harap tayo doon.
Stan Hamburger. Wearing jersey number 4, Elsa. Playing as point guard for Ayuda. Uy, may nagwawala na.
Si Erwin.
Wearing jersey number 25, Huyu, Mr. Erin Dimasaka. Dimasaka, matigas ang lupa. Wearing jersey number 9, Mr. Archie, the center. Wearing jersey number 10, Mr. Ray De Chavez. Parang boksingero lang. Wearing jersey number 26, Mr. August. Lupas na ang buwan, Mr. August, October na. Wearing jersey number 21, Rolly Double D. Rolly Double D. Wearing jersey number 24, Ricky Ditulis.
Playing manager.
And of course, the leader, Mr. George. Congratulations sa Ayuda boys. So Mamlaka. Boy na boy kagad ang mga cheery squad. Let's start with August Brothers. Wearing jersey number 0, Mr. Ahmad August. Wearing jersey number 11, Mr. Yusuf. Wearing jersey 00, Mr. Khalid. Wearing jersey number 15, Mr. Dan Barik. Mr. Shopperman.
Superman.
Wearing jersey number 21, Mr. Aaron. Wearing jersey number 90, the shooting guard, Mr. Mansour. Wearing jersey number 5, Manu Ginagri. Wearing jersey number 30, Silas. Wearing jersey number 14, Harun. And my favorites. Wearing jersey number 53, Mr. Armar. And of course, ano po yung pangalan? Mr. Menendez! Congratulations sa inyong lahat.
No hitting the belt, ha?
May ipapayo lang ng konti sila referee. Sige na.
No hitting below the belt.
May mic dapat, may mic dapat. Remind lang.
Okay, let's get it on! Masyadong makapagbagdamdamin ang sinabi ni Rep. At napakahaba ang sabi niya, congratulations.
Ba, shout.
Okay,
Duga-duga. From palang.
unang bola sa Mamlaka. First prize, no good, St. John. Thanks point back for Ayuda, pass to Jorostet, takes the shot, shot, over ball rebounded by Malang Ginobili. Haroon. June goes all the way, no good. Still nothing is coming in for top. Haroon. Pressing the ball. Received by Saitas. Saitas to Elmar. Elmar takes the shot. First shot for Elmar and first shot for both teams. The score 2-0. Elsin John to Ricky de Tunis.
10 seconds.
10-second shot left. Inside to the Chavez back to Misaka. 3 seconds. Diretso lang. Nice hustle by the Chavez. And a first turnover being committed by both teams. Erwin.
10 seconds.
Joros Felix. Bothered by Elmar. Double team.
6 seconds.
6-second shot clock.
Bola.
24-second shot clock violation. Okay.
Joke lang sa time.
The score is still 2-0 in favor of Mamlaka. Jan Santos jumps. A nice perimeter. Score now is 4-0. 4-0. The Chavez speaks.
10 seconds.
Goes all the way. 10-second shot clock. Ricky still missing the shot. Nice hustle by Joros. Ricky forcing his way in. Kicks out to Erwin. Erwin blocked by Elmar. Jump ball. Bola ng Ayuda. Bola ng Ayuda. At inilipat ang araw sa Mamlaka. And another turnover for Ayuda. Almost. Ay, mali daw yung pinaglabasan. Mali yung pinaglabasan. Ricky de Tunis. Steal by Haroon. Pass break play. Shot. There's opportunity for Mamlaka. The Chavez inside to Ricky. Ricky takes a shot. Blocked by Elmar. Pass break play again for Mamlaka. Emma Ayuda. The score now is 6-0. Okay. Chavez to Erwin. Erwin takes a three. No good. The ball landed on the hands of Pantone. Pass break play again. For Malata. And it's an easy run from Mamlaka.
Sa Perwin na.
Substitution left, Erwin out, and roll it double D in.
Number, Ayoda.
Foul number 15.
Mamlaka, no?
Mamlaka. First team foul. First personal foul.
Pare, adjust ka sa taas.
Ricky inbounds the ball, received by Santos. Elson gets a pick from Rolly D. Kicks out to Ricky. Ricky kicks out to Joros. Joros takes a three. Joros, 3 points. Yun ang mga tambol. Tambol na mga igorot. The score now is 8-3. Still in favor of Mamlaka. Bumawi kaya! Bumawi! Si Marong Ginobili! Marong Ginobili, 3 points! Score 11-3. And back to 8-point lead. Ricky pushing his way in, blocked again by Elmar. And it's the third block shot by Mr. Elmar. D'Antonic. Elmar. Aaron almost loses his handle. 10 seconds shot clock. June tries again. This time is so good. Ball landed on the hands of Ricky. Ricky. All the way. Ricky no good. Elson Santos to Ricky. Nice defense, Mamlaka. And another fast break opportunity for Mamlaka. And Joros committed a foul. First personal foul, Joros, first team foul. Yuda.
Masyadong garapan.
Tyrus, a 30% free throw shooter, misses his first shot. Remaining time for the first quarter is 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Second shot is good, and that brings out the lead to 9 points. Of Mamlaka, score now is 12-3. Elson Santos goes, takes out to Rolly D. Rolly D almost. Nice recovery. Almost recovered by Ricky. And referee Arocha awarded the ball to Mamlaka. Last touch, Ricky. Harun playing as point guard for Yuda. Nice steal by Joros Step. Joros Step. Fast break opportunity. Simpson. Nice hustle by Simpson. Simpson pala. Sorry, Archie. Joros are no good. Another pass. Offensive rebound. Roy double D. And that brings down the lead to 7 points. His score is 12-5. As we reach the 3 minutes and 46 seconds of the first quarter of this championship game.
10 seconds.
10 second shot clock. Ricky Ditulis rebounds the ball. Nice pass inside. Just to bleed the ball. Tama from Mamlaka. And this timeout has been brought to you by Mighty Mouse. Still a 7-point lead being enjoyed by Mamlaka. Ayan na ang aking paborito. Mr. George.
Master of all trades.
D'Antonic. Manong Ginobili missed the shot but tries to recover his miss. Elson.
Shoutout daw, sabi ni Joe Marie.
Shout out. Sino nagpapa-shout out?
Joe Marie.
Mr. Jomari, shout out. Shout out, Mr. Jomari. 9 second shot lang. 3 points. Ricky de Tulis. And that brings down the lead to 4 points. At ayan na, tambol. Ang ating Tampiyolo. Pass inside to Harun. Harun making his way in and he was fouled. Oh, trouble. Nothing was called by referee Arnold. Nice uniform. May pahabang guhit. Elson Santos. Roll back, first time in the ball to Pix. Takes the shot short. Nice pass. Nice pass. Kunyari lang palang tinira. Pinasa para. And that got down the lead to 2 points. As we reach the 2 minutes and 10 seconds of this first quarter. And nice pass. Nice pass inside by Mr. Antonic. The score is 14-10. 1 minute 57 seconds to go for the first period. Elson Jan goes all the way. Blocked by Harun. Harun. Pass to Antonic. Tumira na naman si 3 points na naman yan para kaya Manong Ginobili at natambulan na naman. Score 17-10. Back to 7-point lead courtesy of Manong Ginobili.
10 seconds.
10 second shot clock. Roll down Pix.
Pilit.
Nice defense by Mr. Elmar. Nice pass to D'Antonic. Just could not get the grip of the ball. Nice pass inside. Well done. They score 17-12. 5-point lead. 57 seconds to go.
Sabi mo eh.
17-12.
10 seconds.
10 second shot clock. Side pass. Elmar inside to Harun. Nice pass by Elmar. And Harun was fouled by.
Shoutout sa
Who is
12
fouled?
million viewers.
Hacking foul. Roldan. Turnover for Mamlaka. Nice pass by Ricky. And that brings down the lead to 3 points. 23 seconds to go for the first period. Score is 17-14, still in favor of Mamlaka. Foul George. First personal foul George. 13 foul for Ayuda. 13 seconds remaining. 13 seconds. Harun receives the ball. Take the shot. Miss the shot. Nelson. Battered by. And off the first
Ano, 30 seconds. Sabi na nga eh. Sinigaw na 30 seconds.
Sinigaw namin kanina 30 seconds. Mamlaka ball. 17-14 is our score. At inilipat na ang paturo sa bench ng Ayuda. And the ball remains with Mamlaka. 16
16 seconds.
second shot clock. Aitas. 10 second shot clock. D'Antoni kicks out. Harun masking his way in. Traveling. And another traveling violation being committed by Mr. Harun.
English yun ah.
Medyo naging stress niya si Stan Hamburger. Ready nang tumira ng 3 points.
Shoutout daw, bato. Cholololo.
Shout out, shout out.
Sabi ni Kuya Mike.
Sa ilaw.
Sino nagpapa-shout out?
10 seconds.
10 second shot clock. Nice shot.
Michael Lacan
Just
daw.
too strong. Fast break opportunity. Block by Ricky. Nice defense, Mr. Ricky. Erwin Timasaka. Ricky battered by Saitas. Pass inside to
Ay, lakas.
Archie. Sayang naman. A missed opportunity by Ayuda. That could have cut the lead. And another rebound for Ricky. Ricky dominating the board. And he was fouled by Saitas. Substitution rep. George out. Stan Hamburger in. Stan Hamburger.
Wala mamlakan eh.
Dating player ng Ginebra. Line ball! Inabot ang bola. Hindi pwedeng gano'n.
Parang pwede.
Handok. Lalabas na.
Ay, dito na pala si Bato.
May bagong player. May bagong player.
Okay, first time in the ball game, Mr. Bato. Archie. Pass break opportunity. Nice shot by Arena. Score 17, 15, 16. Erin Dimasaka. 1 point lead. Nice play by Ayuda. 10 second shot clock. D'Antoni takes the three. Boarding. Tumama pa sa board yun. Aba, 2 points na. 2 points na pala. Pasensya na. Correction, 2 points only. Nice hustle by D'Antoni. Fast break opportunity again for Mamlaka. Double dribble. And a missed opportunity for Mamlaka. That could have added the lead for Mamlaka.
Dadakdak na.
Joro step. Kicks out to Stan Hamburger. Stan Hamburger bothered by Cyrus. Back to Ricky. Ricky.
10 seconds.
Pinasa sa ulo.
Unama sa ulo. Sa ulo.
Bola na ang Ayuda. Tumama sa ulo ng defensive player. Substitution rep. Substitution. Saison out. Archie out. Mr. Augustine. Ay, tumama sa ulo ng ni Archie. Kaya pala mahilo-hilo.
Archipelago.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 27 seconds. Score is 19-16. Still in favor of Mamlaka. Saitas, pass inside to Yusef. Oh, Yusef. Masyado malakas ang pasa. Pass break play again. Mamlaka. And another missed opportunity for Mamlaka. Double dribble, troubling. 19-16 is our score. Still in favor of Mamlaka. 6 minutes, 57 seconds remaining for the second period. Ay, shout out sa ating mga viewers dyan.
8 million.
8 milyon na ang ating viewers. Masyadong maraming ating viewers. 8 million daw.
10 seconds.
10 second shot clock. Bato na mas sa loob sa palpal kay Ricky.
7 seconds.
7 second shot clock. At 7 seconds to play for Mamlaka. Pass inside to Bato. Bato. 3, 2, 1. Counted. Counted. Pushing foul number 25. First team foul for Ayuda. First personal foul, Erwin.
Time off daw pag nakasot.
Ricky, fast break play. Ricky, muscling his way in. He scored 21-18.
Time out pa rin.
Timeout, Ayuda! At napatimeout ang Ayuda sa tira na yun ni Haron. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola ng Ayuda.
Shout out, Joe Marie. From Mars.
Stan Hamburger receives the ball from Nelson Santos, battered by
10 seconds.
10 second shot clock. Kicks out to Stan Hamburger, takes a three! Stan Hamburger, 3 points at kaya na ang tambol para sa iyo. Ang tambol ng mga Igorot.
Ay, hindi ganyan ang tambol namin.
Ay pa,
10 seconds. Ay.
Ricky goes all the way. Nice shot. Tabla na tayo, time out! Malakay! First deadlock of the ball game. Tabla na tayo sa 23. Para sa ating mga viewers. Ayun, salamat sa tubig.
Tagay, may tubig ka. Meron.
This table. Baka surot to. Sinusurot na kami rito. 5 minutes, 20 seconds. Elmar. And it's a 7-0 run by Ayuda. Almost turnover, almost. Nice rebound by Ricky. Dominating the Bulls. Pass the play. Nick Davis is on nice. Erwin. Essen takes a three. Tries to recover his own miss, and he did. Committee's time out, committee's time out, committee's time out, committee's time out, committee's time out.
Mama sa pan. Yung uso.
Parang sumabit. Parang sumabit siya.
Diyan lang kayo dyan sa loob. Pagkipasok na off-balance yun. Niriglan.
Tayo, tabla ang laban.
Bin!
Almost, muntik na. Nice recovered by Mr. George. To stand. Ricky takes the shot. No good. Pass play. And Mamlaka. Mamlaka takes the lead.
Ten seconds.
9 second shot clock. 5 seconds.
Lapit, 5 seconds.
Another 3 points! At lamang na ang Ayuda. First time in the ball game. Ayuda is now leading by 1 point as we reach the 3 minutes and 47 seconds of the second period. Elmar to Saitas. And another rebound for Mr. Ricky. 3 minutes 35 seconds. Stan. Fathered by Bato. Nice hustle by Bato. Steals the ball from Stan. Goes all the way and he was fouled by Joros. Foul number 2, Joros. Second personal foul, Joros. 2 team fouls, Ayuda. Medyo tabingi eh. 26-25, lamang na ang ayuda. First time in the ball game, courtesy of 3-point shot of Stan. Nice hustle by George Stan. Ricky Titulis to George. George takes the shot. No good. Recovers his own miss. Nice recovery by Mr. George. And a turnover for Ayuda. He scored 26-25. Ayuda's leading by 1 point. Substitution ref. Substitution. Manong Ginobili in. Rogis out to Yusuf. Jun Cabanera. Pass inside to Saitas. Saitas. Bato. Goes all the way. Nice. Nice defense for Ayuda. Almost and a missed opportunity. Pass break opportunity for Ayuda. That could have bring out the lead. Saitas. Who scored 27-26. And Mamlaka takes back the lead. 27-26. Mamlaka is now leading by 1 point.
10 seconds.
10 seconds shot clock. George! Nananahimik ang butiki doon.
Nilasaltik mo.
He scores 27-26. Mamlaka is leading by 1 point. Ahmad. To Saitas. Saitas bothered by Stan.
10 seconds.
Almost loses the ball. 10 second shot clock. Takes the shot. No good. Ball rebounded by Ahmad. Blocked by Ricky. Nice defense by Ayuda.
Wala, tama lang yan. Tumama, oy. Alam yan kayo, manurunong pa kayo sa atin. Dito na kayo.
Blocked by Ricky. Substitution right. Substitution for Mamlaka. Substitution for Ayuda. Rodri double D in.
Sino?
Stand up to go out. Elmar to Harun. Harun. Short. Good try to recover his miss. Nice play by Mr. Jun. Harun to Jun. Jun takes the three again. At kaya na ang tambol para sa iyo. Mr. Jun scored 30-26. 4-point lead. 67 seconds to go.
10 seconds.
10 second shot clock. Artisa is on. Rolly fix. 2 seconds. 1. 24 seconds of violation. 24 seconds violation. 50 seconds to go.
Kanina pa yan, oy.
30-26.
50 seconds.
Substitution. Substitution.
50 seconds.
Ricky will take a breath. 50 seconds to go. 30-26 is our score. Mamlaka is leading by 4 points. Another 3-point shot for June. This time it's short. Rolly double D. 34 seconds. 10 second shot clock. Nice rebound by Arun. Fast break play. Ayuda. Remaining. Rolly bothered by Saitas. Pass to Saison. Saison. Nice defense. Saison recovers the ball to Echabe. Echabe takes the shot short. Last 2 seconds. One. And the ball game. At ito na ang tren. Andiyan na ang barko.
Hindi
Andiyan na ang mga
Bagon, bagon. Bagon. Alam mo ba yung bagon?
Ayan ang bagon. Has been brought to you by Randy Lakay.
Third quarter.
Quarter na po.
Papasok na tayo sa third quarter of our game. Mamlaka is leading by 6 points. At inilipat na ang araw sa Mamlaka. Joros first shot, no good. Rebounded by Echaves. Stan Haberger takes the three again. Pangatlo na yan, Stan Haberger. Yan ang bola, ang tambol.
Ayan na lang yung susulong nagpra-practice dito. 10 seconds.
10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. 3, 2, 1. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo, tuloy-tuloy lang. Ricky. Pass the ball. Gets out to Stan Hamburger and nice pass inside. Nice hustle by Dantonic. Almost. 6 second shot clock. 4, 3. Almost. Clapping. Pumalakpak. Napapalakpak si Mr. Elmar. Technical foul po tayo.
Cheche na lang.
Bawal po ang palakpak. Pwede hachiche pachiche.
Personal foul yun, eh.
Personal foul, pero
Personal foul pa rin yun.
pero wala.
Na-shoot.
Na-shoot po, na-shoot. Si Stan Hamburger. Ay, matipid sa foul si Elmar. First personal foul. Rolly bubble D. Nice rebound. Chavez, Ricky De Tobis. Nice pass inside to. And a foul. Substitution. Mamla ka substitution. Paul Yusef. Ang sarap ng ice candy ni Iceman. First shot, Joros, 2% free throw shooter. Isa na lang ang lamang. Maitabla kaya? At tabla na tayo, 32 all. And it's a second deadlock. Rolly double D, but Dantonic, 10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Nice shot by Mr. Aron. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Lamang na uli ang Mamlaka ng 2 points. Hindi ako makapag-concentrate sa ice candy. Ricky De Tulis. 3 points na naman! Si Stan! Ang bumubuhay sa ayuda! Ika-apat na yan, Stan Hamburger. 35-34. And a foul. Lamang na ang ayuda ng 1 point. Remaining time 7 minutes and 45 seconds.
Pero foul rep.
Who's foul rep? Roll a double D? Or 24? Who's foul rep? 24. Foul number 24. First personal foul, Ricky.
Shoot.
Pumasok ang unang tira, tabla tayo. Sa 35. At naman ngayon ang Mamlaka. 36-35. Ang Mamlaka is leading by 1 point. Ricky signaling a play. Nice pass inside! Almost! Sayang naman. Clubbing! Two missed opportunities for Ayuda.
Shout out daw, Istinong, birthday daw.
Okay. 7 minutes, 20 seconds to play for the third period. Elmar loses the ball. Picks up by Ricky, and Ricky was fouled by Arun. Foul Arun. Mainit ang ice candy ko.
13 pound. 13 pound. 13 pound.
13 foul. 13 foul, Mamlaka. Nice pass inside again by Ricky. Sayang naman, fast break opportunity, Mamlaka. Score! 38-35. That brings up the lead of Mamlaka to 3 points. And a back-to-back turnover for both teams. Ayuda.
Lapit na agad.
Eric goes inside. Almost. And a jump ball. Bola na Mamlaka. Mamlaka ball. At itinuro na ang araw sa itaas.
Hilagang silangan.
Sa Hilagang Silangan. Sa itaas. Sa itaas takes the shot. No good. Ball rebounded by ball landed on the hands of Elmar. Foul. Number 25, Tim Masaka, matigas ang lupa.
Shout out,
Shout out, sino na naman yan?
Roel Cruz. Roel Cruz.
Ay, paring Noel Cruz, kamusta ka dyan? Shout out, Mr. Noel Cruz. Tapos ang tira. Roldan. To Erwin Timasaka. Erwin goes all the way. A good ball rebounded by Archie. And a foul. And one. Nakamit din ang Torero. Torero.
Warning penalty, Mamlaka.
Nice shot by Mr. Archie Saison.
Oh.
Foul na Mr. June Manong Ginopoli. 14 foul. Harun goes all the way. Score 43-37. And it's a 5-point lead for Mamlaka. 5 minutes, 10 seconds. August. 10 seconds shot clock. Ayun, substitution rep. Maratay tayo ngayong butiki casualties. Substitution, Elmar out. Meron na naman tayong casualty ng butiki. Dalawa na yan.
calamity.
5 minutes remaining. Mr. Aron. To D'Antonic. Takes a shot. Okay, good ball rebounded by Saitas. He score. 44-37. 7-point lead. Erwin. Nagagawa sa bola. 10 seconds shot left. 6 seconds, 5. 2 seconds shot clock. 2 seconds shot clock. 2 seconds shot clock.
Si Bato, sisiya ka lang.
2 seconds shot clock. 2, 1. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. And a pass break play again for Mamlaka. Score 46-37. 46-37. Nice shot by Roldan. 46-39. Back to 7-point lead. 3 minutes, 55 seconds remaining for the third period. Tobats.
10 seconds.
Tay kayo dyan.
3 points. Mintis. Roldan. Roldan, dahan-dahan dribble. Muntik mabitawan ang bola. Pinasa kay Archie. Archie. Masking is in. Nice shot kay Archie. He score. 46-41. Down to 5 points. Lead is down to 5 points. And it's a 4-0 run by Ayuda. Aron blocked and fouled.
Ano? Time out
Time
kayo?
out.
Time out.
Time out, Ayuda.
Out.
Nagtatalsi ka ng tutuloy nila kay sa akin. Pag sumisigaw kayo.
Shout out daw.
Eric, Aron. 47-41. Iyo, one more daw.
One more chance.
Isa pang Chicken Joy. Second shot is still good for Mr. Aron, and that brings up the lead to 7 points. Remaining time 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Another good pass. Pinasa sa kalaban. 10 second shot clock. Bato! Dumire-diretso, Mintis! Saitas! Followed by Erwin and outside.
12 seconds.
Substitution ref. 10 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock.
Connect na.
60 seconds to play for the third period. And another turnover being committed by Mamlaka. Joros. To Erwin. Erwin to George. George inside. Nice shot. Ricky Boy. Lamang na ang Ayuda ng isa. 49-48. Ayuda is now leading by 1 point and a steal. Time out, Mamlaka! Time out, Mamlaka! At lamang na ng tatlo ang Ayuda, and it's a 4-0 run by Ayuda.
Aron. Aron. Aron.
Master!
10 seconds.
Master! 3 points! Master! Tuga-tuga! Tuga-tuga!
Traveling.
May nang signal.
Kaya magre-reklamo na yan ngayon.
Okay, lamang na nga dito ng 4. 7 minutes, 53 seconds. Inside the gate to Chavez. Nice pass. Just did not connect. Saitas.
Yan o, kay...
Pass play. Ayuda. Vintes. Ricky rebounds the ball. Nice defense again by Mamlaka. Dantonic almost loses his handle. Saita! His goal, 56-54. $56-54, 2-point lead, Ayuda. Ricky Tipulis. 10 seconds shot clock. Loose ball foul, Ricky. Substitution, right? Substitution for Ayuda. $56-54. Kicks out to June. To Saitas again. Saitas takes the shot. Si Saitas naman ang bumubuhay sa kabila. Tabla na tayo. And it's our third deadlock in this ball game. 56 on.
Yes! Woo! Woo! Yes!
56 on. 58-56 lamang na ng dalawa. Ayuda. Malik Ginambali takes the three. Recovers his own miss. Pass to Dantonic and it's a foul by Master. Thirteen foul. Ayuda. It take 56. Ayuda's leading now by 2 points. A nice steal by Ricky Tipulis. Ricky batted by Dantonic and another 3 points for his stand. This time he missed. Rebound by Elmar. Pass play, Arun. Foul. Ayuda. Substitution rep. Stan Hamburger out, Jonas Nadella in.
Warning penalty.
Warning for penalty, Ayuda boys. Substitution for Ayuda. Erin out. Rolly double D in. Third personal foul, Erwin. First shot of Arun is good. 58-57, and that brings down the lead to 1 point. Entering too soon. Entering too soon. Counted. Tabla na naman tayo, and it's our fifth deadlock in this ball game. What a championship game between Ayuda and Mamlaka. All 58. Ryan was fouled, Jonas was fouled by June Manong Ginobili. Third personal foul. And a first team foul for Mamlaka. Third personal foul, Manong Ginobili. Substitution rep. Lipas na raw yung robust. Ricky rebounds the ball. Nice recovery by Ricky. Okay. Elman. To Harun. Back to Elmar.
10 seconds.
10 second shot clock. Harun missed the shot. Pass play. Ricky. Nice defense by Manu Ginobili. D'Antonic.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
9 second shot clock. And another rebound for Mr. Ricky. 3 seconds violation. Timeout. Mamlaka. 3 seconds violation. Roll it over. 58 all is our score. 4 minutes and 11 seconds to play for this championship game. Harun at the center, no good. Ball again rebounded by Ricky. And the ball will be awarded to Mamlaka. Last 4 minutes. We are still tied at 58. Nice defense for Ayuda. Erwin. Stanley, na naman sa minti siya ngayon. Pass break play. Sa itaas. Masyado malalim, minti niya tinira. And Mamlaka takes back the lead. Mamlaka is now leading by 2 points. Context. 10 second shot clock. Tabla tayo ulit. It's our 6th deadlock in the ball game. 6th deadlock na po tayo. Di kita lang ang laban. Ang gandang laban. Championship game talaga. 60 all.
10 seconds.
10 second shot clock. Offensive foul being committed by Mr. Elman. Second personal foul, Elmar. Second team foul for Mamlaka. 2 minutes and 47 seconds to play. We are tied at 60. Ricky battled by Yusuf, passing inside again. 8 second shot clock. 6. Substitution for Mamlaka. Yusuf out, D'Antonic in.
Ayuda, warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty, Ayuda. Foul 0-0.
0-3.
Foul 0-3. Foul 0-3. Gives out to Erwin. Erwin takes it. Erwin! Point! 63-60. Lamang ng tatlong ayuda. And Mamlaka will try to turn over for ayuda. Inside to Manu Chen, opening shot! Battery shot! Rebound by Ricky!
Umalat na.
Fourth personal foul, Manu in Labari.
Personal foul. 14 foul.
Fourth personal foul, 14 foul.
Warning penalty.
Both teams are now warning for penalty. Both teams have now committed. Time out, ayuda. 1 minute, 20 seconds. Choro speaks. 10-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock.
Tumama, tumama.
Last 56 seconds. June picks. Dantorik. Inside to Saitas. Saitas take the shot and he was fouled by Erwin. Penalty na po ang ayud, ang Mamlaka. Fourth personal foul, Erwin. Penalty na po ang ayuda. Ayuda had just committed their fifth team foul.
Mag-extension to yan. Overtime.
First shot is no good. That could have bring down the lead. Second throw.
Secure the ball. Secure the ball.
And throw rebounded by June. Miss shot. Osprey play. Turnover. Good over by Erwin. Erwin. Last 22 seconds. Last 13 seconds. Muntik na. Last 9 seconds. Tama! Mamlaka!
Dali lang.
Last 9 seconds. 63-60. Back to the ball game. Manong Jelon believing in the ball for Mamlaka. And received by Harun.
Walang 3 points.
Harun.
Walang 3 points. Ayan, okay na, wala na.
Last 3 seconds. 2. 1. First championship for Ayuda. Congratulations, Ayuda.
Alam na kung sino ang best player.
Congratulations.
Okay, alam na this.